latest news, Adani Group has released a statement stating that Gautam Adani and his nephew Sagar have not been charged with any violation of the US Foreign Corrupt Practices Act in the indictment that authorities filed in the New York court in the alleged bribery case. So they have been charged with securities fraud that involves levy of monetary penalties. Gautam Adani, the founder chairman of the ports to energy conglomerate, his nephew Sagar, and another key executive have been charged by the US Department of Justice of being part of an alleged scheme to pay $265 million bribes to Indian officials to win contracts for the supply of solar electricity that would yield $2 billion profit. Now, in a stock exchange filing, Adani Green Energy Limited, which is at the center of the bribery allegations, said reports saying the three have been charged with FCPA violations are incorrect. They are charged for offences that are punishable with a monetary fine or penalty. It said, and I quote, Gautam Adani, Sagar Adani and Vneet Jaain have not been charged with any violation of the FCPA in the counts set forth in the indictment of the US DOJ or civil complaint of the US SEC. It added that these directors have been charged on 3 counts in the criminal indictment, namely alleged securities fraud conspiracy, alleged wire fraud conspiracy and alleged securities fraud. Adani Group has denied all allegations as baseless and said it will take all possible legal recourse to defend itself. The United States Department of Justice and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission have issued a criminal indictment and brought a civil complaint in the US District Court for the Eastern District of New York against Gautam Adani, Sagar Adani and Vneet Jaain, all directors of Adani Green Energy Limited. The company said the indictment does not specify any quantum of any fine or penalty. Meanwhile, the Adani Group companies have lost about $54 billion in market capitalization since the US indictment. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.